Welcome to the New Age. I'm Tonio, and this is Bullish or Bearish, where each investor will tell you if they're bullish or bearish on an investment. Today, I'm here with
LJ's View,
and I'm here with
New Age Chief.
no nickname.
Not today.
Today, we're talking the Metaverse. My first question is: are you bullish or bearish on the Metaverse changing the landscape of social media?
I'm going to go one step further. I think it's going to change the landscape of the internet as we know it. It's going to be so detailed, whereas though, as we get on Google, we get on social media to look at news, the Metaverse is going to be you're going to be so immersed in the Metaverse that the news is already in your face, if you get what I'm saying, but you don't even have to look for it.
I'm bullish on it changing the landscape of our society. Not just social. I don't believe we'll be able to function without the Metaverse. It's heavy dollars following this space, being poured into this space globally. And I think that, as Datwan mentioned, it will be recognized as Web 3.0. So the Internet 3.0. What's interesting to me is the first movers in this, Facebook being the first mover in this space, and some of the competition that he'll have to go up against.
Okay. Next question would be: are you bullish or bearish of the importance of the Metaverse in the future of gaming development?
I'm bullish. Repeat the question.
My second question is: are you bullish or bearish on the importance of the Metaverse in the future of gaming development?
I believe that I'm bullish that the Metaverse, again, is going to have so much of an impact on our society. As a direct result, is going to impact gaming. It'll start in gaming, but it'll expand broadly into our everyday lifestyles. Games like Roblox, games like even Snapchat. They mentioned, it was an article in Reuters released this morning that some of the players in the space could be NVIDIA, Snapchat, Epic Games, of course, Roblox. Microsoft has even been talked about. Believe it or not, one of the interesting names that they mentioned was Amazon. So I think it won't only have an impact in the gaming space. It'll start there, but expand further out.
Yeah, I agree. I think the Metaverse it's already here. I think gaming is a niche thing. And you can see the Metaverse in gaming, but it's going to be so much more than gaming. I think Fortnite, for example, Fortnite's going big on the Metaverse. They started as a game. Now they got virtual concerts and stuff like that. I believe it's going to impact betting a lot. I believe you're going to be able to bet on games and bet on who's going to win in this round in the game, horse racing, boxing. I think it's going to be big from a whole societal standpoint, but gaming for sure.
Okay. My next question will be: are you bullish or bearish on companies, new and old, making the Metaverse one of their main objectives and business models?
Absolutely. I just mentioned to you the article that Reuters released this morning talked about some of the competition that Facebook could have. When we think of companies like Amazon, you won't, right off the top of your head, we don't think of that being, impacting the Metaverse or even them going in that direction. But that goes to show you just how much of an impact this particular, what's being noted as Web 3.0, will have on our societal lifestyle and everyday use.
Yeah, I think that's a pretty standard thing. I think we already see it happening, to be honest. It's going mainstream. Big corporate America is investing into it. I think that's out the question. How it's executed and how society adjust to it is a whole nother question. But as far as corporate America and the global corporate powers, that's the metaverse is here, and it's only going to continue to evolve.
Also, in that same article, they talked about it's already 2 ETFs formed. There's already 2 ETFs formed. So all of those, a few of the companies that we named, these ETFs are centered around, those type of companies. And even in the crypto space, it's Decentraland. You'll be able to buy land, like it'll be real estate, but in the gaming form, and it'll have real value as the value that we have in our everyday lives, as far as land use. I'm sorry.
Well, there you have it. That's today's episode of Bullish or Bearish. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you have an investment that you want to see here on this show, please leave it in the comments below. I'm Tonio. This is
LJ's View.
And this is
Datwan.
Welcome to the New Age.